Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and I am here with my final project for CS50, which is an expense tracker, a web application in which I have used Python, HTML, CSS, and for database I've used SQLite, and for Python packages I've used mainly Flask. And let's go into what is the web application is. So here is my web application, which is an expense tracker. When you open this web application, you will be sent into this login page. You have to log in before using the expense tracker. So before login, you have to register, which you can do by clicking on the register on the right hand side, and you will get this page in which you have to type your username, password, which you want to use before accessing the expense tracker. So let me uh, take a username, example John, and the password. And when you click on register, uh, his credentials will go into the database. Now you can log in using the same name. So after you log in, you get this first page as expense tracker, where you can add a category, the amount you have spent on that category, and the date you have spent on. And you can click on add expense to add those expenses. So first let me add and show it to you. For example, the date is today. So today 6 September 2025, and when I click on add expense, you will see that there's an expense added over this table, and below that there's a pie chart which shows what is the percentage of that expense of the total expense you have done throughout your journey. So if I add one more thing, example clothes, let me give it some amount, and I'll change the date of same as today. As you can see, there are two rows added to the table, and at the pie chart there is one more color, blue color, added for the food, and pink color for the clothes. This shows the percentage of the amount you have spent on the various categories. And at the above you can see there is an option for search expenses. When you click on this, you can search by date your expenses, and there's an option for logout and change password.